This is day 15 of PMO Trading Forex. Date is 17th of February 2026. Time 6:39 p.m. UTC. Today's day is Tuesday. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the trade I did not take on Monday. It was a short trade, as you can see, but and I only wanted to see if the trade will play out in my direction. I took this trade yesterday, Monday. I only wanted to see if the trade will play out in my direction. It is a 2-to-1 risk to reward, and it did play out in my direction. I did not place this trade because it was not really like a normal trading confluence. It did not follow any real confluence. I just wanted to see if like I was thinking of something. So remember Friday, right? I had this trend line over here. Please I and take the trade to the downside. I had this trend line over here. So you can see here, price had broke, came to retest, and that's when I took the trade. I wanted to see if it will be a winning trade or not. So but I didn't really take the trade because of certain reasons. Placed my stop loss at the psychological level and aim for a 2-to-1. It was successful, so like I'll keep that in mind for next time if I see such a pattern coming up again. So that's that for that. This is GBP USD as you can see here. Now for the trade I actually took today. So Euro USD. So I had came into the market, or I had came in to the market around this area, managed to spot this trend line. I had first drawn this trend line. So you can see 1, 2, 3 touches, even here, 7 touches. So just drawed it out and waited for price to come back to this level. Then I went for a short. I think it's around this level I took it. Right? No, it's actually here. Yeah, it's here. I took the trade after I came back and took it down. Time I took the trade was early in the morning, six around 6 a.m. UTC. That's when I had taken the trade. It was a short on Euro USD. So came in, wait for price to touch, wait for confluence to show me that price is gonna go down. Then I took the trade. And also before taking the trade, I believe there was a massive this blue this box you can see here. This box, it was a support level. You can see it multiple times. Holding price was a support level. Right here, price just wicked and came back. So price had managed to break off. Then started creating lower lows and lower highs. You understand? So that was also part of the thing that made me take the trade. This was a massive break to the downside. Sorry, not seeing it. It was a massive break to the downside. Came back a bit short, but still came down again, creating a lower low. So yeah, if you notice closely, I did not close the trade out. It did not hit take profits. Don't mind this one. It did not hit take profit at first. I had taken my profit around this level, and because I was not really like 100% confident in the trade, I went in for half the normal amount onto risk. Bless me. Sorry. So I went in for about $8 instead of 15. So I only made $10 in this trade. I said again, it did not hit take profit. So I was around here. I closed out the trade. It came back up. You can see the second long position. I wanted to see if I'll take another position, but price just broke our resistance. Came here and touched. I thought I was even going to go up, so I now take this trade the second time. So price actually from here came back up. Honestly, I think I was okay as I took the trade here because it almost came to our stop loss. And the first something I mentioned, I can see these multiple bearish candles. As price kept coming down with force, I keep believing that the price is going to reverse or just go up. So as price kept coming down slowly, I drawn my stop loss from here to over here till even break even. So if I had let the trade run, I would have been stopped out at a very maybe like zero point something bucks cents. I'll be left with cents for the trade. So I'm okay checking out the trade here. I wouldn't like for like price to come all the way down here, then just reverse and then like I wouldn't like for that. So price ended up going our direction. Oh yeah, I was gonna say as I took the I know I said I don't take the normal um risk size I normally took, right? So I was gonna try a new kind of strategy. It's called like stacking. Stacking is like if price you take a position here, price starts to move in your direction, then retraces a bit, you put another position, comes down, retraces a bit, enter another position and keep coming down till it reaches your TP. So you're basically using the profits from the first trade to place another trade, place another trade, and keep going in direction. But as you can see, price just kept printing bearish bars. I did not put any I did not stack because I was afraid that if I was to place a new position here, price will come up, going like very red on me. Because it was just a straight, you can see fair value gaps upon fair value gap. So I thought price was gonna come back, feel all those orders. I guess it did at the end of the day. I thought it was gonna happen soon and just like puts me in red. So of all these fair value gaps and bearish candles, I know stack the trade at the end. So that was that for that. So like I said, I was going to take another short position here. I was going to take another short position here, but price looked like it was going to go up. At the end, it broke back down, came all the way here with force again, then broke our support, tested this. I believe this is a 4 hour trend line. This is a 4 hour trend line. From here, I was actually thinking of taking a long because this was a 4 hour trend line. I believe was going to hold, but luckily, I guess, or unluckily, I'm not sure. I was not around. I was busy. Price came, broke heavy. If I had taken the trade, my stop loss would be around here, so would have been tapped out for sure. Broke heavy and then actually went in our favor. So I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't have taken. Maybe actually I wouldn't have taken the trade of all these strong bearish candles. They were too strong, so maybe I would have reconsidered taking the trade. But I still think I may have taken a trade from this bullish one here. I may have taken a trade. That's how price just tap me out. But yeah, and I've looked. I don't think there's anything that would have stopped me like any serious thing that would have stopped me taking the trade. So I think I would have definitely been tapped out here. I don't see anything stopping me from taking this trade. It broke structure here. Technically broke structure here, creating a somewhat new higher high. Change of character, I understand. So yeah, I've probably taken the trade. Although I guess maybe wait for a pullback and then a broken structure. That would be the way to prevent this mess from happening again. But that's that for that. That's that for that. I don't know. Yeah, there's a. I forgot to post a video. I was like tired. Did not post the video. I wanted to post on Saturday, so I'll post that one and then post this one. I'm the only one watching this, so I didn't nobody cares. Uh, earlier I'm profitable. I mean, technically I am. I guess I've only taken one loss, but the thing is that most of the trades I take, they are not hitting take profit. I'm taking out my profits early. And I guess maybe you could call that a good thing as if I hadn't, I would have gotten stopped at and like 2 or 3 trades I've taken back. If I hadn't taken profits, I would have gotten stopped at. So maybe it's a good thing. But I don't really know. Because in a point where I then place a 15 my normal risk reward, this one's most of my trades now. Can I pull it up? Let me see if I can pull it up. Most of my trades now, what was I saying? Most of my trades, they are not really like I said, they're not hitting take profit, right? So imagine I am placed I had taken where is it? Did I delete the line? I think I deleted this one. Imagine I had taken this one and was confident in the trend line that I've placed $15 risk on the trade. I've gotten stopped out for $15. Then this one, instead of it like since I'm like having good risk management, I should have said, okay, I'm still not in loss, but at the end of the day, I would have been in loss if I had taken this trade. So I don't know if you understand. So I'm not yet sure how to fix that one. These other boxes where I was planning to enter for a short position. So let me remove it now. Well, yeah, that's that. Let me see if I can get the line back. That line is still important. But that's thank God. That was that for that, I guess. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Bye.